If you are trying to log in to your Amazon Prime Video account on PC but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today this video will be guiding you on how you can log in to your Amazon Prime Video account on PC. We'll go through step-by-step process, so let's dive in. First, open any web browser on your PC and search for Amazon Prime Video. You can click on the link to sign up for Prime Video, or you can directly go to primevideo.com to access the official homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Enter your Amazon account credential to log in, as you don't need a separate account for Amazon Prime Video. If you've forgotten your password, simply click on the Forget Your Password link to reset it. After entering your login details, click on the sign in button and you'll be successfully logged in to your Amazon Prime Video on your PC. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.